be talking about installing a 3-piece shower pan drain flange. And what we got going on right now is a old shower drain that we've cut out. Quick tip for you guys, use this tool right here to get inside and cut out your old one. Instead of breaking all the way around and then cutting around the thing, you can get it from the inside. That's a quick tip right there. What I got here is a connector for a PVC drain, and I'm going to prime the inside, and then I'm going to put the glue on and shove this in there. Before we get to that, what I've done is place this in here, took a pen, drew all the way around, and when I had a marking, I'm trying to capture this angle right here. And with the tool, this is what you're gonna need, is an oscillating tool. You could use something else. This works great. And what I did is just turn this on, show you guys real quick, and I chiseled all the way around at that about a 30-degree angle all the way around. Make sure to wear a mask, because if you got backerboard under your shower, you don't want to breathe that in. It's known to cause cancer in California, but nowhere else in the world. Go figure. I just thought that was funny that the backerboard said that. Okay, so then you're gonna install this. You're gonna want this pretty flush right here, and make sure, a lot of people make a big mistake is they just connect this and keep on building. Well, you don't just do that. Once you have this installed, you get a level. And if you're building a shower for your first time, get you a level, get you a couple of them, this size, a bigger one. You're constantly leveling your tiles. Make sure that everything is leveled, your walls. You want to make sure, because if your stuff's not leveled, guess what's going to happen? You're going to have problems in the future where you go to lay your tile, or you go lay your floor or anything like that, or have your water dripping and whatnot. So once you have this installed, use a level. If you're off just a hair, you can take some screws. I've seen people do this. I've never had to do it myself because I always level check it. But you can place screws in here, causing this to come down a little or up if you needed to. Once you've got this firmly in place, you are going to use some silicone. What I've got here, this one's made for gutters, roofs, doors, windows. It's like 100% waterproof, so that's good. So you take this and you squirt a nice bead on this area right here. Next comes your shower pan liner, and when you lay that over your drain, you don't cut circles around here. You cut a tiny little X, push these through, or unscrew them beforehand and screw them in. Make sure to get that nice bead of caulk here. I've seen people use plumber's putty. I'm sure that's just fine. After you got that piece on, you lock this piece in place before the silicone is dry. Cock it that way and screw these in really tight. I seen one guy build a shower. This was just funny. I have to add it in there. And he needed to do a tear up, and the shower pan liner went all the way over this and never went in between here. Big mistake. All had to be torn out. I thought that was funny. I actually seen the video on YouTube. So once you've got that done, and this is locked in place and you're sealed in, next comes your shower cap. Put that in place. You can screw that in. Some people use a bunch of rocks over here so you don't clog your weave product out there called Positive Weave Hole Protector. You can find this online. They delivered it right to Home Depot. And the way this goes in is this goes in like that, and this piece goes in like that, and you screw that in. That way your weave holes never get clogged up. If you're a beginner, you might not know this, but 90% of showers get water underneath their tile, believe it or not, and it goes underneath your mortar. So you want to make sure that you don't clog your weave holes, and you do this correctly. So when the water does get down in there, it finds its way out. Putting in a pre-pitch, some people say it's not necessary. This is my home. I want it done right. I'm not going to skip any steps. People will argue why it's needed and not needed. Well, I'm putting in a pre-pitch. What that means is you are putting in a pitch. What the pitch means is that your water will drain downwards at an angle of, I think it's about 1/4 inch per foot. As you can see, these little sticks here, how they come out, start out skinny and come out much fatter. So you put that in this pattern right here, and you're going to use mortar. Make sure that you get one mixed in with sand. I think it's 4 parts sand, 1 part cement. And you put that in. This goes underneath your liner. and you're gonna back those sticks up to about a 1/2 inch right here and start your slope going all the way up. And then when that's all dry, you put your shower pan liner on top of it. And when your shower pan liner is in there, next comes another set. If you guys are beginners, it's called, this one is called Quick Pitch. This one goes above your shower pan liner. As you can see, those gray areas, that's not mortar, that's shower pan liner, and then you fill in with mortar again. And these slopes are a little bit, probably about the same pitch, I'd say, but this is going to, hold on, it starts out, no, it's a much higher pitch. Sorry about that. You're talking about an 1.5 inches at the end. If you even get to that, mine will start out at 1 inch because that part will be cut out. And it comes all the way down to what looks like it starts out almost like 1 inch. You can see my thumb right there. It comes with this little ring here. The ring goes right above your, if you're gonna use a weep hole protector, that goes right above that. And then you screw this in right here and locking it in place, and you put your mortar in. So that's about it. I hope this video helped you guys out on how to get started and just some quick tips and tricks on installing a drain flange. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.